Hello my beautiful friends and welcome. My name is Christina Marie and I have a brand new subscription for you today. It is the Look Fantastic box. It is out of the United Kingdom and it's $19 a month, free shipping, and that's if you want to do it just a month at a time. Obviously the longer you do subscription, the less that it costs, and I do have a link down below for you if you'd like to check them out. Let's dive into this box. If you are new to my channel, I do want to say welcome and thank you so much for checking me out. I do beauty box reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and the occasional giveaways. Speaking of giveaways, there's going to be a big giveaway this week. And so you're going to want to make sure that you are subscribed and stay tuned for that. There could also possibly be 2 giveaways. So we're going to do one when we hit our video is when we've got 50 videos posted, which will be coming up super quickly, and another one when this channel reaches 100 subscribers. So stay tuned, make sure that you are subscribed. So whenever I do get a new beauty subscription box, I would like to do it for 3 months. That way I can know if I'm going to like this box or not. Sometimes, you know, boxes are a hit, sometimes a miss. I think that 3 months is fair. It gives them, you know, gives them and me a chance to kind of feel each other out and see if I'm gonna really like this box or not. So I open this up and it's got this on the inside. It has a card here. I'm hoping that this is gonna tell me prices, and it's not. It doesn't. And so I'm gonna give this to somebody so that they can get me the prices really quick, and because I like to be, you know, as informed and do as much research as I can for you. I also like to be surprised when I open things up. So I'm gonna give this along, and then I will be right back. Okay, we've got the prices. We're all good to go. This so also comes in here on top. It has an Elle magazine, and I know that these magazines are pretty spendy, so I think that's really nice. So here's kind of what the box itself looks like. And, you know, this pretty tissue paper. And then here's what the products inside look like. The box itself kind of reminds me of the glossy boxes for whatever reason. And I see that there are some full size and sample sizes in here. So the first item that I'm going to be pulling out is by Ritual. It is their Ritual of Sakura Soothing Hand Balm. Kind of looks like this. And it retails for $12.50. Let's see if we can find it in our little book here and what it says about that. So here's what it talks about in the book. It basically states that relieve dry and tired hands with this rich and luxurious soothing hand balm, harnessing the powers of shea butter, organic rice milk. The balm replenishes and rejuvenates hands, subtle fragrance that relaxes the senses. And you carefully massage into hands and cuticles. Apply before bed for soft hands in the morning. I always apply a hand cream right before bed, so I do leave it right by my bedside. I leave that and also kind of a lip balm right next to it. Here's what it looks like on the skin. I'm just going to put some on the back of my hand here. It doesn't have a scent at all that I can tell, and you know, it went in really smooth. Speaking of items next to the bed, I actually keep one of these that's in a different, I don't know, flavor container. Mine's kind of pink, but it is also an EOS. And this is the EOS Lip Balm, retails for $3.29. And achieve perfectly soft lips with this handy lip balm enriched with moisturizing shea butter, conditioning oil to give you softer and nourished feel. Certified 100% organic, natural. This hypoallergenic lip balm is essential for cooler months and apply to lips to boost of moisture. You know, products may vary depending on which box you got, it sounds like. And the editor's tip is the hand packaging makes this a handbag essential for love using this on the cuticles to add nourishment. I had never thought of putting this on my nails before too. That's kind of an interesting little tip. Since I already have a bunch of these, I got them at Costco, and I got like 6 or 7 in a bin. So I've got a ton of these, and I do use them every night. But I'm gonna put this one in that giveaway that's coming up. Here we have a product, and I know I'm gonna pronounce this wrong. It is Omorovicza, Omorovicza. It is their cleansing foam. This is a rather expensive cleansing foam. This is just a sample size, but the full size retails for $80. So this is remove makeup and impurities without stripping the skin with this gentle foaming cleanser, devoid of harmful sulfates, containing white leptin to energize the skin and to detoxify copper glucosan skin while be left fresh and clear. And you want to lightly moisten face and apply a pearl-sized amount, massage into damp skin with a circular motion to stimulate circulation and blood flow. Let me know if you guys have used this in the past or not. Ooh, here's a product from one of my favorite European brands. It is The Ordinary. It is a hyaluronic acid, 2% plus B5, a hydration support formula with ultra-free vegan hyaluronic acid. So here it looks like it retails for $6.80. One of the reasons I really like Ordinary products, that's the name of the brand, is that what they say they're gonna give, they give you. Their ingredient list is really small, and you know, you've got over 2% hyaluronic acid in this. And you know, it's only $6.80. You don't need all this extra stuff. Oh, here's a product from Morphe. It's their high impact highlighter. I have not tried a highlighter from Morphe before. I do have the James Charles eyeshadow palette, and then I got another eyeshadow palette. It was something night. It was a 16 pan one that we got in the BoxyCharm box that I really liked. And I do love the James Charles palette. This one retails for $14.99. It is in the shade Spark. So let's kind of open this up here. Looks like this. Ooh, this is really creamy. Here's what it kind of looks like on the finger. And then let's just give this a little swatch here. And here's what it looks like on the back of the hand. It's really pretty. And what this one says is achieve luminous skin with the prismatic highlighter with innovative formula. The weightless highlighter delivers high shine. Its perfect golden hue. This highlighter is essential for making the complexion appear radiant and glowing. Dust over prominent areas of the face, including cheekbones, bridges of the nose, brow bones, and Cupid's bow for a glowy and beachy look. We love using this as an eyeshadow. I think this would be a really subtle look for an eyeshadow. So the last item in here is by Madara. It is their organic skincare smart line. It is their anti-pollution charcoal and mud repair mask. This is just a trial size. The full size retails for $39.58. Looks like this. And what this one says is purify and decongest the complexion with detoxifying treatment mask infused with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential minerals. Harness the power of charcoal and black northern mud. This face mask draws out dirt, impurities, pollution, build up, leave the complexion radiant and revitalized. And you want to apply to clean skin. Apply for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse thoroughly. Use 2 to 3 times a week. If you have drier skin, we suggest following this use of this mask with a hyaluronic rich moisturizer to give your skin a hydration boost. I do masking videos, where I try on the mask and I review it and let you know kind of my thoughts and everything. So look for this in an upcoming masking video. So if I add everything up, the full-size product, not including the samples, so your samples are kind of addition to it, with just the full size alone, it's $37.58. Remember, this was $19 for your box, so you got, it's a good value. It's not a super great value. So, you know, it's a good first box. I'm interested to see what the second and third boxes will tell. I think my two favorite products were the Morphe highlighter and the ordinary hyaluronic acid. What were your favorite products? If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. It really means a lot to me when you do. And hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.